Hi everyone, welcome to Storeino. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use application WhatsApp Sender, which allows you to send messages automatically to your clients. So what you need to do is go to the applications and then in this list, search for the WhatsApp Sender application. Here, as you can see, if you don't find it in top of the list, just go down the list and search for it here. And when you find it, just click on the blue button to activate the application. When the application is eventually activated, just click on the name or the icon of the application to access the settings page. As you can see here, this is the settings page. And first of all, we have the balance. And of course, we have the remaining messages. Each dollar give you 33 messages to send to your clients. And of course, you can add an amount to this application by clicking on this red button here. As you can see, click on add amount and it will send you to this page. Here, as you can see, top of the page, we have the original balance of our Storeino account. And of course, we have this button here where you can add an amount from that original balance to this specific application. Just go ahead and type in the amount you want to add and then click on the green button so that the amount will be added to this application. So as I already mentioned, each dollar give you 33 messages to send to your clients. Next up, here we have the devices. As you can see here, I have already created devices in my application. Of course, what you need to do, just click on new device and give your device a name and click on confirm and it will be successfully created. It's as easy as that, as you can see here. And when your device is created, you need to actually make it connected. As you can see here, all the devices are now disconnected. So we're gonna go ahead and click on this button here. As you can see, this flashlight button, and then wait for the QR code to show up so we can scan it with the device that contains the WhatsApp number. Here, as you can see, when this code show up, go ahead and scan it with the device that contains the WhatsApp number you want. So we just go ahead and scan it and wait for the device to be connected. Now we wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, the device now is successfully connected. Next up, we have the instant messages. Here, as you can see, this is the place where you can customize everything related to your message that you want to send to your clients. Of course, here, first of all, we have the devices. We select the device we want to send this message via. Click on confirmation. As you can see, this is the device that is connected in my case. And here you can type in the phone numbers that you want to send the messages to. Now, this is, of course, we need to mention that you need to actually type in the code of the country before typing the rest of the numbers. So as you can see here, this is the example that it is given here, plus 212. This is the code of the country of Morocco. So you need to do the same thing with each number and each country. You need to type in the code of the country. So let's go ahead and type in the numbers we want to send this this message to. And then when you type in a number, just click enter in your keyboard so that the number will be added to the list, and go ahead and type in the second number and the third, and the list goes on. So I'm just go ahead and type in two numbers here, as you can see. And of course, there is another option in Storeino. You can, of course, upload a file that contains the numbers. Click on upload a file, and of course, select the device. And here, as you can see, this is the place where you can click to upload a file. And of course, it has to be in this format here, as you can see. Just go ahead and click on upload file. And of course, the numbers in the file, as I already mentioned, needs to have a code of the country. So just the same with this case here. Of course, when you upload a file, all the numbers in the file need to have the country code and the rest of the number, of course. So in my case, I will just type in the numbers manually. And here, as you can see, this is the preview of the message we want to send. Here we have, of course, items. As you can see, this is the button we click to actually access the items. First of all, we have the text item. We just go ahead and select it and add item here, as you can see, and it will be successfully added. This is the place where you can send a message that is only a text. For example, I want to tell my client that their order is confirmed. So click on this and then type in the message. And it's just as easy as this. When you are eventually done, just click on send a message and it will be, of course, sent to these numbers. The second item, we have a link. Just go ahead, select the link and click on add item. As you can see, this is the link item here. As you can see, the only difference between the text item and the link item, of course, you can send a link via the text item, but the only difference is the preview of the link. Here in this in the case or in the item of the link, the client will have a preview of the link before accessing the link that you have sent them. And of course, you need to send a text message with the link. So you can just send a link to your client. You need to send a text or attach a text with your link. So just go ahead and type in the link you want here and then type in the text and send it to your clients. Of course, just as easy as adding items, you can of course remove the items that you don't want to actually send to your clients. Just click on the red button. Here, as you can see, the item will be deleted. The last item here is the image item. Select the image and click on add item. Of course, as we already mentioned in previous videos, in Storeino, when you want to send an image, you need to actually have the link to the image. So the image should be previously uploaded to a different platform, and then just go ahead and get the link of the image and type it here, of course. And of course, you need once again to send a text or attach a text with this image. So of course, you need to have the link of the image and of course attach a text with this image. So in my case, I only want to send a text to my clients. So the next step and the last step before sending the messages, we need to actually activate the bot or the robot that is responsible to send messages. So as you can see, the device now is connected, but we need to click this button here, as you can see, so that the bot is activated. And as you can see, the bot is now switched, and I can click on send message, so it will be sent to the numbers that I typed here. It's as simple as that. Click on send messages, and as you can see, the messages will successfully sent to my clients. Next up, we have the auto WhatsApp. Here, as you can see, we have a bunch of order status. We have already done videos explaining these order status. I recommend you watch these videos. And of course, we explained everything related to this order status and of course the dashboard of the orders, etc. So for example, as I already mentioned, I activated and connected the confirmation device. So I will link it with the confirmed order status. I will just go ahead and activate it, select the device, of course, click on edit message. Here, as you can see, we have a bunch of variables that you can add to your message. For example, if you want the message to contain the store link or the client name, etc., just go ahead and copy this variant here and add it to your message, and it will be automatically filled with the information that have been provided with the order. Of course, here we have once again the items. You can of course add a link, image, a text, etc. And when you are eventually done with editing your message, just click on confirm. And as you can see, now we will be successfully connected to your device, and the message will be automatically sent to your client. For example, if you have an order and the order is pending, for example, and you changed the status from pending to confirmed. When you change the status to confirmed, a message will be automatically sent to your clients because their order is now confirmed. And that's the utility of the auto WhatsApp. And when you are eventually done with all these changes, just click on save so that changes will be updated. And last up here, we have the messages that have been sent. And of course, we have everything related to the cost and of course, the date we created these messages, etc. You can see everything. This is the dashboard of the messages. We can see, of course, the pending messages, the delivered, sent, and cancelled, etc. So that was everything for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments, and we will make sure to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.